Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. So we are looking at the bond market today. This is the 20-year Treasury bond ETF. And the funny thing is the PCE number actually dropped from the last reading as expected. Now normally when you have inflation dropping, usually bonds rebound and yields go down. You have that initially in the very beginning of the day with the gap up, but the bond market has done nothing other than falling most of the morning, putting in the low right here at 1 o'clock. Now it's trying to rebound, but it's struggling to do that. The TLT actually fell below multiple days lows all the way down to the 50-day EMA. That has caused a pretty substantial spike in the 10-year yield back up to the 200-day simple moving average. The highest today hit 4.360% on the 10-year bond. Now, usually when the bond market goes down, yields go up. There's an inverse relationship. That higher yield puts pressure on stocks. We initially didn't feel it. Not until about an hour and a half, 2 hours into the day, where the market starts selling off. And here, after we're coming back from this consolidation at launch, we are pushing lower in towards the 8-day exponential moving average. So even though that the news regarding inflation is good, the bond market is reacting in the opposite direction, therefore putting pressure on the stock market. So again, this is slightly divergent on the daily momentum. I would like to point out that the NASDAQ, the QQQs, are also down. It was substantially stronger in the morning, but we are now negative again, down about 0.1%. So it's about 3 o'clock. We've got about an hour left in the day. So what we need to do is just see how the market closes. Be a little careful going into Monday. This is a shooting star pattern, but I would still be looking for more consolidation here. NVIDIA had been stronger earlier in the day. It did sell off, touching yesterday's low, but a nice little bounce here. So if NVIDIA stays in the channel, if a lot of these stocks maybe are basically just pulling back from their recent moves higher and maybe starting to consolidate, it doesn't mean that all of a sudden we're going to start tumbling really hard. But you want to be careful because next week is a holiday week. Monday should be normal. Tuesday should be normal. Wednesday, the market might be lighter, but you have private payrolls. Thursday is the holiday. And Friday, even though that the 5th of July really should be a very light day, we do have non-farm payrolls on that day. So you want to be careful. Okay, be careful. That's the first week of the third quarter. And then the week after that, that's when we start earnings season. Okay, just be careful in the markets. Thanks a lot.